Hey guys, so I'm back for a couple of more tutorials. One quick thing before I get into it, I saw a couple people on the website searching for headbands and open crown head wraps. This is it. This is the headband, this is the open crown, this is the full-on head wrap, this is the turban. This gives you everything. So, I know I'm looking a little busted down, but I'm going to come to you with the open crown tutorial. Right now, I already laid my edges, and quick shout out, I got my edge control, Hicks edge control from my local black-owned beauty supply store. My Shade and Texture, they're located in Tampa, Florida. They're going to have their grand opening January 18th in Tampa. So if you're in Tampa, please go ahead and check them out. But let's get into this tutorial. First, I'm going to start with putting my hair up. So I have my little puff cuff, and I'm going to try to get this in a high, messy bun. Still cute, but messy. Take my puff cuff. Bam, that easy. Then I'm gonna take my head wrap. So, like I've always done, so you got the two on the side, and then there's two in the middle. Now for your open crown, you're just gonna simply put the two tails in the middle, in between the satin. So all my wraps, the satin is kind of open, well it is open in the middle, so you just tuck the tails in between. And for this crown, I don't want it, like too small. I just want it just a little bit. So I'm just gonna fold this top part over just like that. All right. Then I'm just going to place it on my head, and I'm just looking in the mirror. Same way, we hold it a little tight. But this way, I'm just going to tie it in a knot. One knot. All right. Then I'm gonna grab my piece, working with my bow. My bow might look a little bit different because I crunched it up, I squished it up. So again, with your bows, with your roses, play with them, get the look that you want. And so with the bow, remember, you're going to insert one tail through, and then the other tail going the opposite way. It's like a crisscross, and slide it on up. What you're going to do now, take the back, go to the back and tie it in the knot. I double it up. And then, same as before, we're tucking it all underneath. Go around, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Go to this side, tuck it under. And I'm going to squish it up some more. I kind of don't even want it to look like a bow or anything. I don't know what I'm going for, but it's going to be something. And so, if you want the messy look, if you want, this could be cuter in the top, my hair. But it is what it is. But that's how I get my open crown look.